Your DENZA has a fridge that can keep things nice and cool. You can also set it to heat up if you're wanting to keep things nice and hot instead. There's a few ways to control your fridge settings. Tap this button here to open a list of all of your installed apps. Look for the refrigerator app. Here you can turn on cooling and choose what temperature you want it at. Tap on heating when you want to keep things warm. Be careful not to turn the Hotbox heating on if you have any soft drink cans in there. You don't want to have to clean that up. Depending on what vehicle you have, there are a few ways to open the fridge. In this B5, you can open it from the top only. There's a control knob in front of the fridge that gives you quick access to turn it on and off, as well as change the temperature. There's a settings menu from your fridge located here. This gives you the option to keep your fridge or Hotbox running after you've turned your car off. You can also set it to remember the settings you choose. If you've got a football game on the weekend, this is a great way to ensure there's some cool drinks for the drive home. One last thing, you can also access these controls from the DENZA app. Tap the refrigeration button to access these controls. Until next time, this is your DENZA.